Above the $2.50 levels, my friends, I am bearish on APVO. I am bearish on APVO. In today's video, we're going to discuss exactly where I see APVO heading from here on out and much, much more. With that said, today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a catalyst breakdown as to why APVO is running today after they did announce some news. The what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis. The where, I'm going to be telling you guys where to get in, where to get out, and also where I see this ticker heading from a no BS, non-biased price prediction video. Now, let's get breaking it down. So when it comes to APVO, the ticker is up approximately about give or take 50% in the after hours, right? Running all the way upwards of the $2.20 levels in the overextended night, right? The overnight markets, right? The overextended night, right? I mean, you know, Freudian slip considering this is an overextended move if you ask me, right? So as always, the first thing we want to analyze is going to be the why, right? We want to ask why is this ticker running in the first place, so then we can go ahead and anticipate what the heck's going to happen next, right? So, and whether or not the ticker can actually hold on to these gains, or is it just going to be a move which is here today, gone tomorrow? In the case of APVO, guys, this is a ticker which is running based off of the news that Bank of America has gone ahead and has taken a stake in the company, okay? Which is pretty good news, right? It's pretty good news. We have institutional ownership coming in. So institutional ownership is always a good news. So we're going to go over here and we're going to put the breaking news as good. Now, the next thing we want to do is going to go ahead and look at the stock analysis, right? Now, when we do stock analysis, we're really just paying attention to one thing. What's that one thing? That one thing is going to be none other than supply and demand, all right? So how much supply does this company have? Let's go over here and let's take a look. The company has a supply of 2.9 million shares, okay, so 3 million shares give or take, and a market cap of 4.6 million. So overall, it is a very, very volatile ticker. We're going to put it as amazing. Now, the next thing we want to look at is going to be the odds of the company going ahead and actually diluting, adding to this supply. Well, guess what? What's the telltale sign that a company is going to do so? When they're broke. The company has less than a month of cash left on hand. The numbers I'm showing you right now are based off their most recent SEC filing. So the company right now has $1.9 million and they're burning approximately $6.83 million every single quarter, leaving them with a month of cash. They're broke. They have no money. Terrible. All right. Now, the next thing we want to look at is going to be the likelihood of them diluting. So historically, they've been very dilutive. Right now, their overhead supply is big. And their offering ability is also medium. I mean, they're going to dilute, man. They're going to dilute, okay? Institutional ownership, we're going to put as okay now that they have 10% coming in. Shorts, let's see what the shorts have been doing when it comes to our buddy APVO. Let's take a look. Interesting. So the short interest is actually down 48% the past trading day, which is really, really interesting. Huh. It's sitting at 51%, down 30% the past week. So this is actually very bullish. When it comes to short interest, is very freaking bullish. Amazing stuff, honestly, right? Now, you know, this is a little bit tricky because it looks like maybe they have some pending news coming out or something like that. So, you know, personally, it looks a little bit tricky of a situation over here when it comes to PVO. You know, when you get such a massive amount of shorts covering, right? This is a telltale sign that the shorts know something and a big move is coming. Okay, so for me, honestly, you know what, guys? Anything's possible. You know, anything's possible when it comes to APV at this point. So I'm not going to open a position in it, but I'm definitely not going to be shorting this. You know, this is definitely not a shorting stock. However, I do think that above the $2.50 levels, it still is a little bit overextended, right? And the highest I see it going right now would be $2.80 without any further news. Now, if they come out and announce news, then it can easily squeeze. Honestly, guys, I wouldn't be surprised if we see the test of $10, right? Because historically, when you look at what this ticker is capable of, right, historically, it has given us these massive, massive bumps from $6 to $13, from $2.70 to $13, right? So it has historically given us these massive, massive pumps, which, you know, it wouldn't be crazy to assume it's going to do so again. But overall, I think that I would wait till the news comes out, then go ahead and buy at these elevated prices, considering it's already up 50%, right? Now, again, at the end of the day, this is just my take. This is just what I'm doing. I am a very conservative trader. So maybe if you're a very high risk, you can go ahead and manage your own risk and you can trade this ticker. However, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, we brought back the 50% sale that sold out. That's right. Right now, once again, the next 10 members that join our Discord, they get access to it for a 50% discount. The Discord will give you full access to a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. We'll give you access to day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access, mentors, Q&As, and everything like that. And this is what our alerts look like, guys. So we give it a ticker, we give it an entry, we give it an exit, we give it a stop loss, and we also tell you how many shares to buy. That's what makes us very unique, is that we tell you how many shares to buy. A lot of these Discords, they don't tell you how many shares to buy. Just say buy and buy. That's not how we roll. We give you exactly how many shares to buy in a 10K account. So let's say you have a 50K account, you multiply by 5. Let's say you have a 100K account, you multiply by 10. Let's say you have a freaking, you know, 3K account, you divide this number by 3, right? So you can go ahead and actually manage your sizing the same as us. And this is kind of why we have over 400 members come back, even though we offer a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee, because people are making money, right? My man Kevin Sen Davis says, last year when I tried trading by myself, trading felt hopeless, but with your help and your team, I'm on my way of having my first profitable year. Not to jinx it, love you guys. 105% returns in a single year. Thank you, Sam, and Top Academy. Another productive 215%. We've been crushing it, guys. We've been absolutely crushing it day in, day out. Stock Noob says, another day following Salmon's daily wins. Right now, he's been 16 out of 17 ace for me. September provided to be a solid month. Thank you, Top Academy. 164%. In a single month. Can't make this shit up, man. Can't make this shit up. Big wins or small wins, guys, they all make me very happy. And, $65 is very, very solid. But look at this, $22,000 off of a single trade. Sam and the gang, you lot of freaks. Look at this shit. Unbelievable returns in a month. I'm gonna come on, boys and girls. 22,000 pounds. I also love how British people keep their British accent. It's fucking hilarious. Maybe pause it and read some of these, man. I mean, I'm so proud of what we built. Honestly, I'm so proud of what we built here. And, God bless, man. God bless. I'm glad I'm able to look at this. Literally yesterday, October 6th. Thanks to 50% gains on account. Thank you, both. Small gains lost. Can't. Anyways, I look forward to meeting you guys in Top Trade Academy. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.